Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with 2 quick checks. Make sure the phone is charged and unlocked and that you can access settings. Once done, open Settings and tap Security and Privacy. This is where Realme groups its checks. You need device admin and permissions enabled to change status entries, so verify those now. If a confirmation prompt appears, accept it. Otherwise, tap the 3-dot menu to show system items. This gets you to the real controls fast, without navigating unrelated menus. You'll now disable the individual checks. In Security and Privacy, open the Privacy dashboard and then the Security checklist to see app behavior, device health, and permissions entries. Tap each entry to inspect why it's flagged, then use the toggle to switch the check off or revoke the particular permission causing the alert. Make sure to confirm any system prompts. Realme sometimes asks for authorization. Once you've toggled each item, the status should change from active to off in the list. You finish by rebooting the phone so the system records the new status. This often clears lingering alerts. If the Security and Privacy check still shows active, clear settings, cache or check for system updates and apply them. Realme patches can change behavior. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app re-enables checks, then uninstall that app. One key tip: always back up critical data before removing system permissions or performing resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.